Welcome to your brewing guide for the Flavia Barista. The Flavia Barista makes one cup at a time. Each cup uses its own fresh pack as a brewing chamber, guaranteeing no lingering flavors from one drink to the next. Authentic espressos are made in the right-hand side of the brewer. When you select espresso, the right brewer drawer will open. Insert your espresso fresh pack with the red nozzle pointing up. Only use espresso fresh packs with the red nozzles on the right-hand side of the brewer. Close the drawer to start brewing. The LED screen indicates when your drink is ready. For coffee, tea or hot chocolate, the cup is always placed on the left-hand side. Select your drink from the options on the LED screen. You can select small, regular or large. Insert your fresh pack into the left brewer drawer with the red nozzle pointing up. Close the drawer to start brewing. With the Flavia Barista, you can enjoy coffee house-style drinks such as latte, mochas and cappuccinos made with either espresso or coffee. Specialty drinks require 2 fresh packs. Place your cup in the stand. Select Latte Cappuccino on the screen. Then select Cappuccino Espresso from the options on the right. Insert your first pack of 2. This will be the Froth Fresh Pack. The Froth Fresh Pack is always inserted in the left-hand drawer. When the froth brewing is complete, the right-hand drawer will open. Move your cup to the right-hand side. Insert the Espresso Fresh Pack with the red nozzle pointing up. Close the drawer to start brewing. For espresso specialty drinks, the froth is always brewed on the left-hand side and the espresso on the right-hand side. Select Latte Cappuccino on the screen, then select Cappuccino from the options on the left. This will be the cappuccino made with coffee. Insert your first pack of 2. This will be the Froth Fresh Pack. The Froth Fresh Pack is always inserted into the left-hand drawer. When the froth brewing is complete, the left-hand drawer will open again. There is no need to move your cup again. Insert the Coffee Fresh Pack with the nozzle pointing up. Close the drawer to start brewing. For coffee-based specialty drinks, both the froth and the coffee will be brewed on the left-hand side. Both sides of the Flavia Barista will also allow you to brew beverages in a travel mug. Simply pull out the drip tray and place your mug below.